My name is Weijia Zhang. Great to be in this interview. I am from Wanchain, and Wanchain stands for Wide Area Network, WAN, or blockchains. So basically, our work is to connect blockchains with each other. And basically, when blockchain was developed, there was silo. Blockchain do not talk to each other. And just like internet TCP/IP, we hope that internet blockchain should be connected. So we are design cross-chain interoperability to connect these blockchains. We were involved with Hyperledger before, and we know it's a high-quality foundation. We trust Linux Foundation. We know this is the best open source foundation, and we got a lot of support from the Hyperledger and also from LFDT, Linux Foundation, Decentralized Trust. And we believe this is going to be a foundation that's going to grow. And we like to put our code in this trusted open source foundation. And we get a lot of support from other members as well. So we think that gaining knowledge, getting open source community support, and develop an open source project, this is the best place to host our code.